Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you check your IMEI number in your dial pad tune guys. From your dial pad tune guys, you want to check your IMEI number, so guys you can check. And guys, now let's see how to check IMEI number in our Redmi phone guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you friends how can you check it. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys, if you're new in my channel, so guys first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So friends, you can check your IMEI number in your dial pad tool, and guys you can check your IMEI number in your phone setting also guys. Phone setting guys, about phone setting, and guys you can see your space setting. Then guys you can check your IMEI number from here. But guys now I will show you guys in dial pad tool guys how can you check. So friends, tap here and guys click on star has 06 as guys. Then guys you can check your IMEI number in your Redmi phone guys. So I hope friends you have understood how to check IMEI number in our Redmi phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. So guys now we will meet on guys next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.